Everyone, welcome back to my channel Experiences in Short. Thank you for liking, viewing, commenting and subscribing to my channel. If you are a new viewer, please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications on time. Last time after I posted Amazon haul video, it was highly appreciated and that encouraged me to come up with another haul video about home decor from Amazon. The products that I am going to show today are super budget friendly as well as rental home friendly. You will find all the link of these products in the description box. So if you like any of these products and wish to buy them, so please feel free to refer to these links. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first product that I'm going to show you guys is a wooden coffee table. This coffee table is super compatible and foldable. So you can fold this table and keep it at any corner of your home. And this table can be used for multiple purposes. I'm going to use this to keep some decorative items, and at times I might use this at my balcony which has a low sitting space as a coffee table. So I will show you how this table opens. So you can open this table like this. So this is how the table looks. You can see how sturdy is this table. You can even keep some heavy things over it, and you can use it as a side table or a coffee table. I got this product at a very affordable price, that is 399 rupees, and you will find a lot of sellers selling such products, but I'll keep this particular product in the description box because I found this seller to be really genuine, because the wood finish is also good, it is easily foldable and sturdy. So I'm going to put it in the description box, and if you guys wish to have this at your home, then definitely refer to it. प्यार को हो जाने दो, प्यार में खो जाने दो. Alright, so the next product that I have is this love light. Look at this cute light, guys. This is a fluorescent light that I ordered from Amazon, of course. Price of this light is just 599 rupees, and this light gives a different vibe altogether. I was looking forward to have something over the side table of my bedroom, and I was not finding any apt product for that. So this is the light which I came across, and immediately I was in love with this love light. I opened the package. I was super happy with this buy. So if you see, this love light comes with a battery attachment, so if it falls down it is not going to break. It is super flexible. So this light is something which elevates your mood. It elevates the whole look of the whole place where you keep it. So you can keep it at bedroom, your study table or your living space, wherever you want. And this goes really well with all the home decors, and especially if you are planning to have a dark setup, then this is the product, guys. चांद सितारे फूल और खुशबू ये तो सारे पुराने हैं, ताज़ा ताज़ा कली खिली है, हम इसके दीवाने हैं, हो. True, guys, I just love this moonlight. So I have been wanting to have this moonlight for long now, and I was searching for this moonlight in Amazon everywhere, and I was not finding the apt moonlight. But the moment I saw this color changing moonlight, I was totally in love with it, and I wanted this lamp at my home. So this time from Amazon I ordered it. I ordered it at 599 rupees. This moonlight is very light, so you can just keep it anywhere, and it has a wooden stand to it. So if you want, you can put this stand and just keep this moonlight, and it elevates the look of your whole setup or decor. So this moonlight is something which I was seeing like with all the Instagrammers and YouTubers, and I wanted to have one for me as well. Now that I have found it, I am totally in love with this moonlight. Now you will see in most of my videos this moonlight, because I'm completely obsessed with it. If you want a moonlight like this or for your study table or for your living area, just go for this product, guys. I know you will totally love it. Please refer to the link in the description box if you would like to buy this moonlight. The next product that I have is something which I was wanting for long. However, I was not finding a good photo grid in a different shape. If you know, like, photo grid these days are available in shapes of rectangle or square, but I wanted a different shape. So I was looking for it and I fortunately found it in Amazon, and this came as a heart shaped photo grid. So I just love this photo grid because this is very lightweight as well as sturdy. You can use it in your bedroom or you can use it in your living room, as well as if you have a photo corner at your home and you want to give a different look to it, you can use this. I am going to put some of my portrait photos here with the help of the clips. Also, I'll put some motivational quotes, and the best part about this grid is there is a shelf. There is a cute small shelf here, so you can put some small cute decorative items over this, and this will elevate the look of the whole wall. So this is something which I was looking forward to have, and I got this. And the tip to elevate the look of a photo grid is just put some fairy lights around it. I got it at 699 rupees. Generally photo grids are quite expensive in Amazon, but this one is something I got it at a very affordable price, and at the same time the look, the finish, everything is just perfect, guys. Since I don't have a proper studio setup, I keep changing my location and I create a temporary studio every time I shoot a video. So I was wanting to have something very lightweight, especially flowers and flower vase, so that I don't disturb my existing setting. I don't pick something from my living area or from something from my dining area just to shoot my video. So I wanted to have some separate items for that. So for that I wanted something very light and easy to store. So I was planning to go to home center and buy some products like a very small vase and a very lightweight flower. But fortunately I figured that out in Amazon and I ordered it from Amazon. I got this flower, this off-white flower from Amazon at 99 rupees. This product is very nice. At the same time very affordable, so I did not have to spend much for this flower. If you see, there are two flowers with a very cute small bud. Also it has some leaves around it. They look quite real because they are not dark green color, they are kind of very pastel green color. So this whole thing goes well together. I was planning to go to home center. Fortunately I figured that out in Amazon and I got this product. The next product that I have is this blue color flower vase. So the size of this vase is quite good, and this is very lightweight and portable. As I said, I was looking for some pieces like this which I don't use it every day, but I can use it for my studio setup. So I got this flower vase. This is super affordable. Again, I got it at 99 rupees. And the color of this flower vase is just wow. The transparent blue color adds the perfect tint of color to the whole look that I have in my studio, and I am just loving this color. And the best part about this flower vase is the height of the flower vase is also quite good. It's not neither very small nor very big, so easily you can store this flower vase, and it goes so well with this vase. When I put it inside the vase, the look of the whole thing goes really well. A blue color vase with a white color flower. This product is something I love, and I always wanted to have something like this in my studio which will add some color pop to it. So yeah, this is a very good product, and I'm going to have both these products in my studio going forward. Next product that I have is a very classy piece. So I have got this wooden tray. If you have been seeing that, like, this tray has been quite in trend these days, and this tray you can use it for decorating your home during marriages, birthdays, or simple candlelight dinner, or anything at your home can be decorated around this. I have bought this for my studio where I would be putting a small plant over it as well as some candles. So this will definitely uplift the vibe of the entire place. This is so classy. I would have definitely preferred this if it would have come in a darker brown shade. A lighter brown shade doesn't look that well, but still that's fine. I can just use it, like DIY it with some colors and have this. This product I got is at a very affordable price, that is 299 rupees. The wood quality is really good, hence I don't want to return this product. But if you are buying any of wooden trays like this, definitely prefer buying something in darker shade as it gives a much more classier look. This tray also can be used as a serving tray for tea and coffee, and this looks really classy. And this tray is quite lightweight, so this can be easily transferred anywhere you like. And all these paper cutouts also came with this tray, which I don't want to throw because it really gives a very nice texture to this whole tray. So I'm going to keep these as well and put some decorative items over it. This is one product which I was wanting to have. I have been following some Instagrammers and YouTubers recently, and I see all of them having some kind of decor of this sort, so I also wanted to add it to my collection. So if you are interested for this product, you can also see the description box, and I have provided you the link. That's all I had for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button. And all the products are linked in the description box. If you liked any of the products, please feel free to click on the link. This is going to take you to the product page directly. And in case these products are out of stock, you can figure this out from other sellers which are available abundantly in Amazon. So you can go to the similar product section and figure out if this product is out of stock. And if the prices of these products have changed, please feel free to add it to your bag and wait for the best price. Thank you for watching this video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.